Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Safari remote automation on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Safari. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Advanced. Then we scroll down and at the bottom tap on Remote Automation. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now Safari Remote Automation is a feature introduced in iOS 17 that allows developers to remotely control and interact with Safari browsers on iPhones, iPads and Mac's computer. So this opens up a range of possibilities for testing web applications, creating automated workflows, and even develop unique user experiences. And that's it. So if you're wanting to test with your device, you can turn on remote automation. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.